boy, my grandfather. How are you? Good.
Sit down after my grandboy. What you say, boy?
I'm just this smell you say no grams.
So they don't know say you cook up our
Yeah,
grandboy.
they don't know enough.
You tell them say your grandboy a shatter.
Yeah, I'm telling them enough.
How much of them this year?
One of them in a grams.
One of them?
Yes, grams.
One of them this year?
Yes, grams. One of them.
One man this year?
Yes, grams.
Relax yourself, my grandboy. Relax yourself. Boy, what let me alone?
What is grams?
I strap in that.
Eh.
You see this a straps here?
Mm.
This a passed down from generations to generations.
Eh.
My father get this strap.
Mm.
Me get this strap.
Mm.
Your father get this strap. See, see today, I see a strap, this is my grandboy.
Mm.
You will get this a strap as you go this in yourself today.
Yeah,
alright.
like so.
So you ready for what you with the thing?
Yeah, 1 grams.
Alright, come and tell us a cougar bar a shotgun and we're going to take this round here, you know.
Yes,
Hold
grams.
on, let me carry it. Go on inside, let me show you a David boy.
Alright, grams.
Straps you want. Straps you get. Oh, you want straps you can't make one man this year. I 6 flower in them every day, boy. Oh, you want make one man this year. You know, see me mash up. See me warring days over.
Boy, I'm not alone, you know.